Longstanding beef here, Tim. As you remember, the company was founded in 2015, and alongside Sam Altman, Musk ran the company. They had this shared vision initially to have it be this nonprofit. They were going to make AI for the good for humanity. In 2019, things went sour. Musk formally left, and under Altman's leadership, we saw OpenAI trying to become more creative with how they were structuring the company to be able to bring in more outside capital through this for-profit vehicle. Now, why does Elon Musk want OpenAI today? Well, this bid is exactly for the nonprofit structure that controls the for-profit company, the one that's raising billions of dollars in capital. There's a couple of reasons that he might want it. He's been talking about the importance of AI safety, and he's not totally on board with the direction that Altman has taken the company. In his view, they have lost that initial mission to make AI for the good of all, and perhaps it's become more for commercial ends. But we have to remember here, Elon Musk has his own AI company too. That's where this bid is really emanating from.
So I want to understand if, Jackie, if they keep it, if he buys it and this group and keep it a nonprofit, what might that do for the US, either in a good thing or a bad thing in terms of the race for AI, especially now that we're just a couple of weeks off of the DeepSeek news from China, which seemed to have a very cost competitive model, AI model, much cheaper. But I mean, we're still trying to validate or confirm that what they said they did. But nonetheless, if this happened and Elon and his group did this, would it impact the AI race in some way here in the United States?
It potentially could. And the reason for that is, OpenAI has been able to expand and roll out more offerings because of the capital it has attracted. And a large reason for that capital is because investors are banking on this being able to be monetized, that they're going to make a bang for their buck, this return on investment. And you can't really do that in the same way when it's simply a nonprofit, which is why OpenAI had to get creative with this structure to begin with. So what does it mean for the whole, the bigger picture, the AI race here? It could potentially hamstring OpenAI's ability to grow, to expand into new offerings, because at the end of the day, those can be monetized. How would investors still keep pouring something in or capital into a company that doesn't give them something back? That's kind of the big difference. And I'm not sure how this works out with Trump's relationship with Elon Musk, especially given the whole Stargate tie-up just a couple of weeks ago. That's another complicating factor in this potential deal.